Morning, dear student. Today, first of all, I will write equation of tangent and then equation of normal. Let us start with equation of tangent. Let y equal to fx be any given curve which is continuous, and let x1 y1 be any point on it. Suppose this is the curve y equal to fx and x1 y1 is a point on the curve, is any point on the curve. Now at the point x1 y1, a tangent is drawn. At the point x1 y1, a tangent is drawn to the curve. Okay, this is one line. Now slope of this tangent is equal to slope of the tangent. In the last class we have done how to find the slope of a tangent. Slope of the tangent is equal to dy by dx. This is tangent at the point x1 y1, so dy by dx at the point x1 y1. Slope of the tangent is dy by dx at x1 y1. Now this point x1 y1 is common point to the curve and to the line, the tangent. This point lies on the curve as well as on the line. This is the point of contact of the line and the curve. So clearly this line passes through x1 y1. Now using the 1 point formula, therefore the equation of tangent to the curve at x1 y1 is, applying 1 point formula. Now I want to write 1 point formula here. In the last class I explained what is 1 point formula. I am writing again. Suppose a line passes through x1 y1 and suppose its slope is m, then the equation of the line will be y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. Using this formula, the equation of the tangent will be y minus y1, because the tangent passes through x1 y1, so y minus y1 equal to slope of the tangent m is this dy by dx at x1 y1 into x minus x1. So this is the equation of tangent to a given curve at the point x1 y1, and what we have to remember, x1 y1 is the point of contact of the curve and the tangent. So what we have to remember, to write the equation of tangent to a curve, we need the equation of curve and the point where the tangent is drawn, the point and the equation of the curve. Now equation of normal at the point x1 y1. Here you can see this line is tangent to the curve at x1 y1. Now at the point x1 y1, if we draw line which is perpendicular to the tangent, suppose this line is perpendicular to the tangent at this point, this angle is 90 degree, then this line will be called the normal to the curve. This is tangent to the curve, this is normal to the curve. Slope of tangent is this dy by dx at x1 y1. Slope of a normal will be as tangent and normal are perpendicular, slope of tangent is dy by dx, slope of normal will be minus 1 by dy by dx at x1 y1. In that case, product of the slope of the lines, product of slope of tangent and slope of normal. This is the slope of tangent. At the point x1, y1, tangent is drawn. This is normal to the curve at x1, y1. Slope of tangent is this, slope of normal is this, and product of these two, product of slope of tangent and slope of normal is -1. So this is the slope of normal at the point x1, y1. Now we want to write equation of normal. Clearly, normal also passes to the point x1, y1 because normal is a line perpendicular to the tangent at the point of contact of the tangent. So clearly, normal also passes to x1, y1. So equation of normal will be equation of a normal to the curve at x1, y1 is equation of normal to the curve is y minus y1 equal to minus 1 by dy by dx at x1, y1 into x minus x1. Here also we have used 1 point formula. The normal passes to x1, y1, so y minus y1 equal to m slope of the normal into x minus x1. So this is the equation of tangent to a curve at the point x1, y1. This is equation of normal to a curve at the point x1, y1. So these two formula you have to remember. These are very, very important formula. Let us start with one simple example. Find the equation of the tangent and normal to the curve y equal to 2x square minus 3x minus 1 at the point 1 minus 2. Now to find equation of tangent, first of all we have to find dy by dx. dy by dx equal to it is 4x minus 3, and then we have to find dy by dx at the point 1 minus 2. We have to put x equal to 1, y equal to minus 2. There is no y, so we have to put x equal to 1. It will be 1. Therefore, the equation of tangent at 1 minus 2 is, the formula is y minus y1. So it will be y plus 2 equal to dy by dx at 1 comma minus 2 into x minus 1. This is the formula for equation of tangent. So y plus 2, value of dy by dx is 1 into x minus 1. So equal to x minus y minus 3 equal to 0. This is the equation of tangent. The equation of normal at 1 minus 2 is, the formula is y minus y1, so it will be y minus minus 2 equal to minus 1 by dy by dx at 1 minus 2 into x minus x1. This is the equation of normal. Y minus y1 equal to minus 1 by dy by dx into x minus x1. This is actually the use of 1 point formula, but we have written this as a formula. So equal to minus 1 by dy by dx, value of dy by dx is 1, so this is 1 into x minus 1. So if we multiply, we will get y plus 2 equal to minus x plus 1. So it will be x plus y plus 1 equal to 0. So this is the equation of normal. Our next question is from NCERT book. Find the equation of normal to the curve a y square equal to x cube at the point am square am cube. So first of all we have to find dy by dx. So given curve is a y square equal to x cube, differentiating with respect to x. A into derivative of y square is 2y dy by dx equal to 3x square. So dy by dx equal to 3x square by 2ay. dy by dx at a m square a m cube. That means you have to replace x by a m square and y by a m cube. 3 into, it will be a square m to the power 4, 2a, y is a into m cube. So it will be 3 by 2 m. This is dy by dx at this point, and therefore the equation of normal at a m square a m cube is, the formula is y minus y1 equal to minus 1 by dy by dx minus 1 by dy by dx at a m square a m cube into x minus x1. This is our x1, this is our y1. This is a given point, x1, y1. So y minus a m cube equal to, if we put the value of dy by dx 3 by 2 into m here, it will be minus of 2 by 3m into x minus a m square. And after simplification, the equation of normal will be 2x plus 3my equal to 2am square plus 3am to the power 4. So remember one thing, to write equation of tangent or normal, we need the equation of the curve and the point where it is, where the tangent or normal is drawn. Equation of the curve and the point on the curve where tangent or normal is drawn. Next question is from NCERT book. This is given in example, but this is a very important question. Find the equation of tangent and normal to the curve y equal to x minus 7 divided by x minus 2 into x minus 3 at the point where it cuts x-axis. Here the equation of curve is given, but the point is not directly given. What you have to find? First of all, you have to find the point where you have to find the equation of tangent and normal. Now, what is given in the question? Find the equation of tangent and normal to the curve is at the point where it crosses the x-axis. Suppose this is the graph of this. Just this is I have drawn this just to explain. Suppose this curve, this is the graph of this, and this is the point where it crosses the x-axis. First of all, you have to find the point where the curve crosses x-axis. How to find? Now, for any point on x-axis, we know the y coordinate is 0. For any point, the point where the curve crosses x-axis, at this point the y coordinate will be 0. So first of all, in the given curve y equal to x minus 7 by x minus 2 into x minus 3, putting y equal to 0, because we know for any point on x-axis, this point lies on x-axis, so its y coordinate will be 0. So if you put y equal to 0 and if we cross multiply, you will get x minus 7 equal to 0. So x equal to 7. That means the curve crosses x-axis at 7, 0. Therefore, the given curve crosses x-axis at the point 7, 0. So you have to find equation of tangent and normal at this point, at the point 7, 0. Next step will be, we have to find dy by dx. So first of all, we will multiply these two, x minus 7 by x square minus 5x plus 6. Now we have to find dy by dx. For that we have to use quotient rule of derivative. Applying quotient rule of derivative, we get dy by dx equal to this. Denominator whole square, derivative of numerator is 1 into denominator unchanged minus numerator unchanged into derivative of denominator. Now we have to find dy by dx at the point 70. As we have to find equation of tangent and normal at the point 70, so we have to find dy by dx at 70. Now if we put x equal to 7 and y equal to 0, if we put x equal to 7, value of this will be 0. 7 minus 7 is 0, this will become 0. Now you can see x square minus 5x plus 6, x square minus 5x plus 6, one of the terms will get cancelled, and the denominator will be 1 by x square minus 5x plus 6. If we put x equal to 7, its value will be 1 by 20. So dy by dx at 70 is 1 by 20, and therefore equation of tangent at 7, 0 is y minus y1, that is y minus 0, equal to dy by dx, its value is 1 by 20 into x minus 7. So x minus 20y minus 7 equal to 0. This is the equation of tangent. Next, we have to write equation of a normal. Equation of normal at 70 will be y minus 0 equal to minus 1 by dy by dx. dy by dx is this, 1 by dy by dx will be 20. So minus of 1 by dy dx into x minus x1. Okay, so it will be 20x plus y minus 140 is equal to 0. This is the equation of normal. Next question is, show that the line x by a plus y by b equal to 1 touches the curve y equal to b into e to the power minus x by a at the point where it crosses the y-axis. Now let me draw. I am drawing this just to explain. Suppose this is the curve y equal to b into e to the power minus x by a. Suppose this is the given curve. Now this is the point where the curve crosses the y-axis, and what we have to prove, the line x by a plus y by b equal to 1 touches it at this point. Okay, this is the given curve, this is the point where it crosses the y-axis, and we have to prove this line, the given line, touches the given curve at this point, or otherwise what we have to prove, the equation of tangent to this curve at this point is this. This is what we have to prove. Equation of tangent to this curve at this point is this. First of all, the given curve is y equal to b into e to the power minus x by a. The point where it crosses the y-axis, at this point the x coordinate will be 0. Putting x equal to 0, we get y equal to b. b into e to the power 0 is b. Therefore, the curve crosses y-axis at 0b. Now, what we want to prove? At this point is now 0b. At this point, the equation of tangent to this curve is this, and in that way what will be proved? That this line touches this curve at this point. So now we will find the equation of tangent to the curve, equation of tangent to this curve at the point 0b. Now y equal to b into e to the power minus x by a. So dy by dx will be, b is constant, derivative of e to the power x is e to the power x multiplied by, we have considered this as x, multiplied by its derivative, which is minus 1 by a. So dy by dx at this point 0b, because we have to find equation of tangent at this point. So at 0b, if we put x equal to 0, value of this will be 1, so it will be minus of b by a. So equation of tangent at 0 comma b will be y minus b equal to minus b by a into x minus 0. Sorry, it will be x minus 0, because the point is 0b. Y minus y1 equal to dy by dx at 0b, which is this, into x minus this. If we cross multiply, we will get ay minus ab equal to minus bx. So and from this we will get bx plus ay equal to ab, and dividing both the sides by ab, we will get x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. So in that way, what we have proved, the equation of tangent is this. So at this point, the equation of tangent to the curve is x by a plus y by b equal to 1. This is what we have proved. In that way, what we have proved, this line touches this curve at this point. X by a plus y by b equal to 1 touches the given curve at the point 0 comma b. Next question is, show that the equation of tangent to the curve x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1 at x1 comma y1 is x1 by a square plus y into y1 by b square equal to 1. Here the given curve is ellipse. So first let us draw a rough sketch of the given ellipse. Suppose this is the curve x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. Suppose this is the curve x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. Suppose x1 y1 is any point on the curve. This is x1 y1. At the point x1 y1, at this point a tangent is drawn to the curve. What we have to show, the equation of this tangent is x1 by a square plus y1 by b square equal to 1. x1 y1 is a point on the curve. At this point a tangent is drawn. We have to show equation of tangent is this. Now the given curve is x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. We have to find the equation of tangent to this curve. So first of all, taking LCM, b square x square plus a square y square equal to a square b square. Differentiating with respect to x, b square into 2x plus a square into 2y dy by dx is equal to 0. Therefore dy by dx equal to minus b square x by a square y. So we have to find equation of tangent at the point x1 y1. So dy by dx at x1 y1 equal to minus of b square x1 by a square y1. The equation of tangent at x1 y1 is y minus y1 equal to dy by dx at x1, which is this. So it will be b square x1 by a square y1 minus of into x minus x1. And after simplification, cross multiplying, and after simplification, the equation of tangent becomes this. Now dividing both the sides by a square b square. If we divide both the sides by a square b square, the left hand side will be x1 square by a square plus y1 square by b square equal to y1 by b square plus x1 by a square. Now we have to find equation of tangent at the point x1 y1. This is the point x1 y1, and this point x1 y1 lies on this ellipse. lies on the given ellipse. x1 y1 lies on this ellipse means x1 y1 will satisfy the equation of the ellipse. Therefore, value of this x1 square by a square plus y1 square by b square is equal to 1, because x1 y1 will satisfy the equation of the ellipse, equal to x1 by a square plus y1 by b square. So therefore the equation of tangent is now x1 by a square plus y1 by b square equal to 1. Now just again I want to explain that x1 y1, this point lies on this curve, and therefore x1 square by a square plus y1 square by b square equal to 1. This point lies on this ellipse, therefore this will satisfy the equation of the ellipse, and therefore we will get this relation. And using this relation here, x1 square by a square plus y1 square by b square equal to 1, we get our required equation. So this is the equation of tangent. Next question is, find the equation of tangent and normal to the curve x equal to 80 square, y equal to 280 at t equal to 1. Here the equation of the curve is given in parametric form. First of all, we have to find dy by dx. So for that we have to find dx dt. Dx dt will be 280 and dy by dt will be 2a, and therefore dy by dx equal to dy dt by dx dt, so equal to 1 by t. Now we have to find equation of tangent at the point t equal to 1. So dy by dx at t equal to 1 will be 1. When t equal to 1, x will be x equal to a and y equal to 2a. That means we have to find equation of tangent at the point a comma 2a. So we'll write in this way. Therefore the equation of tangent at a comma 2a, x equal to a, y equal to 2a. I have written this in coordinate form. Equation of tangent at a comma 2a is y minus y1 equal to dy by dx into x minus x1 equal to x minus y plus a equal to 0. This is the equation of tangent. Next, the equation of normal at a comma 2a is y minus 2a equal to minus of 1 by dy by dx. Minus of 1 by dy by dx is 1, so minus 1 into x minus x1. So this will be y minus 2a equal to minus x plus y minus 3a is equal to 0. This is the equation of normal. Next question is, find the equation of the tangent and the normal at the point t. I have written twice here. At the point t on the curve x equal to a sin cube t, y equal to b cos cube t. We have to find equation of tangent and normal to the curve at any point t. Here arbitrary t, here t is arbitrary, no fixed value of t is given. We have to find the equation of tangent at any arbitrary point t. First of all, we have to find dy by dx. For that we have to find dx dt. Dx dt equal to 3a sin square t into cos t. Again y equal to b cos cube t, and therefore dy by dt equal to, it will be 3b cos square t into derivative of cos t, which is minus of sin t. This is dy by dt, and therefore dy by dx equal to, it is dy dt by dx dt, so it will be minus of 3b cos square t sin t by 3a sin square t cos t equal to, it will be minus of b by a, it will be cos t by sin t, cot t, but we will write in this way, cos t by sin t. So this is our dy by dx. Here no fixed value of t is given, so you have to find equation of tangent at any arbitrary point t. So dy by dx equal to minus b by a cos t by sin t for arbitrary value of t. Therefore the equation of tangent at any point t is y minus, as no fixed value of t is given, we will consider this as y1 and this as x1. So y minus y1 will be y minus b cos cube t equal to dy by dx, which is this, into x minus our x1 will be this, the given value of x. We will consider this as x1 and this as y1. So x minus a sin cube t. This is the equation of tangent at the point t. Now we have to simplify. Cross multiplying, we get this relation, a sin t into y minus ab cos cube t into sin t minus b cos t into x plus ab cos t into sin cube t, and after further simplification we get the equation of tangent as this. Now the equation of normal. At any point t is y minus b cos cube t, equal to minus 1 by dy by dx. This is the value of dy by dx. Minus 1 by dy by dx will be, minus sign will become plus, it will be a by b into sin t by cos t into x minus a sin cube t, y minus y1 equal to minus 1 by dy dx, which is this, into x minus x1. So this is the equation of normal. Now if we cross multiply, you will get b cos t into y minus b square cos to the power 4t equal to a sin t into x minus a square sin to the power 4t. And after further simplification, the equation of normal becomes a sin t into x minus b cos t into y equal to a square sin to the power 4 into t minus b square cos to the power 4 into t. This is the equation of normal. Our next question is from NCERT book. Find the equation of the tangent to the curve y equal to x square minus 2x plus 7 equal to 0, which is parallel to the line 2x minus y plus 9 equal to 0. Let us draw one rough sketch to explain the question. Suppose this is the given curve y equal to x square minus 2x plus 7. This is the given curve, and this is suppose the given line 2x minus y plus 9 equal to 0. Suppose this is the given curve and this is the given line. What we have to do? We have to find equation of tangent to this curve parallel to the given line. we have to find the equation of a line which is parallel to given line and which is tangent to the given curve. This is the given line, this is the given curve. To find the equation of a line which is parallel to this is the required line which is parallel to this and which is a tangent to the given curve, which touches the given curve at one point. Suppose the line which is parallel to given line touches the curve at this point, and suppose coordinate of this point be AB. The line which is parallel to given line touches the given curve at the point AB. We have to find equation of this line. For that, first of all, we have to find the coordinates of AB. So we'll write in this way: let the tangent parallel to 2x minus y plus 9 equal to 0 meets the given curve y equal to x square minus 2x plus 7 at the point a comma b. Now clearly AB lies on this curve and therefore b equal to a square. This point lies on this curve, so b equal to a square minus 2a plus 7. This is the first condition. Again, these two lines are parallel, so slope of this line and slope of this line will be equal. They are parallel, therefore their slopes will be equal. Now what will be the slope of this line? This is tangent to the curve at the point AB. This is tangent at the point AB, so its slope will be dy by dx at AB. The given curve is this. The given curve is y equal to x square minus 2x plus 7, dy by dx equal to 2x minus 2, and dy by dx at AB. This line is, the tangent is drawn at the point AB, so slope of this tangent will be dy by dx at AB. Slope of this line will be dy by dx at AB, so equal to 2a minus 2. Again, this line, this is the given line. Given line is 2x minus y plus 9 equal to 0. The given line is 2x minus y plus 9 equal to 0, and from this we get y equal to 2x plus 9, and therefore its slope is m equal to 2. Its slope is m equal to 2. Now slope of this line is dy by dx at AB. Slope of this line is 2. Slope of this line is dy by dx at AB. Slope of this line is 2, and there, as these two lines are parallel, their slopes will be equal, and therefore now, according to question, slope of the tangent dy by dx at AB is equal to slope of the given line 2. Value of dy by dx is 2a minus 2 is equal to 2, and from this we get a equal to 2. Now we have this relation b equal to a square minus 2a plus 7. Putting a equal to 2, when a equal to 2, b equal to a square minus 2a plus 7. So it will be 4 minus 4, the value of b is 7. So what we get at the point 2, 7, a equal to 2, b equal to 7, at the point 2, 7, the tangent to the curve is parallel to the given line. Therefore, at 2, 7, the tangent to the curve is parallel to the given line. So, now we get the values of a and b, 2 and 7. So, now we can easily find the equation of tangent to the curve. Now we know the equation of the curve, we know the point, we can easily find the equation of tangent. So, for that we have to find dy by dx at this point. This is the given curve y equal to. We have to find equation of tangent to this curve at this point 2, 7. Now you can see dy by dx equal to 2x minus 2, dy by dx equal to 2x minus 2. So, dy by dx at 2, 7 will be 2. Therefore, the equation of tangent at 2, 7 is y minus y1 equal to dy by dx into x minus x1. And so, 2x minus y plus 3 equal to 0. This is the equation of tangent to the given curve. So, these were some questions from the topic tangent and normal. In the next class, I will solve some more questions from this chapter. So, that's all for today. Thank you.